The Working with Customer Focus workshop is a collection of materials that we developed so that a trainer can run a full one-day workshop on looking at all of the various interactions that we can have with our customers to help improve that customer experience. Participants will look at the emotional aspects of dealing with customers, the various expectations of different customers. They'll also have a chance to participate in being in a supply chain where they're both customer and supplier. And then finally they'll get the opportunity to practice dealing with difficult customers. Key learnings will be around the various individual points where customers interact with their organisation. So they begin in looking at abstract using some of the cartoon images from images of customer experience, but then go on to look at the actual touch points that their customers would have. This workshop is pretty flexible, so the trainer can choose to have any of the individual modules run consecutively, or indeed just pick one of them out if they want to do that. Participants will get a chance to look at the actual points where their customers interact with their specific organisation, and they'll get a chance to actually plot how they can make a difference for their customers.